Hey friends, I'm hoping you're doing all okay. Finally back on YouTube. Today we're going to draw me and my horse Picasso. I'm working on a line art. I wanted to create a drawing of me and my horse that laying down besides me while I draw on the iPad. So that is the overall idea. So an overall picture what I do, spending my time by my horse and drawing on the iPad creating horse drawings. If you can see, I practice now also on drawing people. This is something that I wanna do for a long time now. For now I'm practicing on drawing people and horses, and later on I will expand my drawing skills to other pets like dogs and cats. I will lay my focus on a more cartoonish style that I already did before. The last year I drew only horse portraits with expressions, but I wanted to expand my drawing skills and improve it more. One of my biggest dreams with art is creating a children's book with horses and people, but first I need to be better at drawing persons, so one step at a time. So I wanna take you with me in this process on this channel. My biggest inspiration at the moment to draw people is Holly Vision. I hope I will pronounce it on the right way. I found her channel a few weeks back. I get a lot of inspiration through her videos. I like the cozy vibe in her videos and I got inspired to create also this kind of content, but then with my own art. So go and check out her own videos. I have to admit that I really have to find my own style in everything. So I told you already that I wanted to draw a children's book. Here in Belgium you can buy a magazine from the Netherlands that's called Penny. They have always a comic page with this character, the horse Rakker, and it would be nice to create something like that in the future in my own style. Let me know if you would like to follow me in this journey on this channel. You can always leave a comment on this video what you want to see next time on this channel, like some topics that I need to talk about, kind of tutorials or other videos. Also the things that you'll like on this channel so that I can improve my next videos. You can download my own brushes for free in the link in the description. The line art brush that I'm using in this drawing is also on the free pack. While I'm finishing this line art, I will introduce myself a little bit and also my horse. My name is Sina, I'm an artist from Belgium, so English is not my native language if you can tell. I own my horse now for 8 years and he is a gelding from almost 21 years old. His breed is a Trakehner horse and we don't have competition ambitions. We make a lot of fun with dressage riding, freedom dressage and a lot more. Since I was a kid I have a big heart for animals. I grew up with a lot of pets and my favorite animal was always a horse. It was always a dream of mine to get my own horse, so if I was 16 years old I bought my own horse Picasso. So he is my first horse. I'm really proud of me that I pay my horse on my own as a student. It's not easy, but you get a lot of love back from your horse. I have also 2 Australian Shepherd dogs. My sister has a Dachshund dog and we have also 2 cats at the moment. So it's never boring at our house. Always a lot of fun with all our pets. If you wanna know something else about me or my horse, feel free to ask it in the comments. Now I stop talking so that you can enjoy the rest of the line art process. So here is the finished line art. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and leave a comment. This way you will support my channel. Feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss a video on this channel. And then I will thank you for watching. See you by my next video.